All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. OnlyWoodFloors. Back over here in Santa Ana, finishing up. We had a lot of repairs and stuff to do. I think Dante did a video yesterday when we just got started, but we got here this morning. We stained it last night. Put 2 coats of the clear polyurethane on it this morning. Turn this around, and look at that. Bam! This is what you see. Boom. Check out the video yesterday, and we replaced a whole lot of boards over here. You can't even tell. Put these reducers in so it's flush with the tile. It looks finished, but we got one more coat of finish. We're going to polish it down, lightly sand it, smooth it out, and then one more coat of finish. And actually, we're going to be back Friday to do the bedrooms in here. So there it is. Man, what a difference. What a difference. All right. Come back Friday, you'll see the bedrooms.